Good day, and greetings from the International Institute of Constraint Management. We have received so many questions lately, asking, what is the logical thinking process? To answer these questions, to all of you, we have created this short introduction video. We will provide a quick overview about this powerful tool, which has helped so many people and organizations around the globe. First of all, the logical thinking process is much more than a change management tool. It is a method to initiate a real transformation for organizations as well as individuals. When mastered, this process becomes a paradigm, a way of life. Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy this brief overview about the method, which forms the core of the IIFCM approach. A clearly articulated goal is the starting point of the logical thinking process. For any transformation, we first need to know what we are trying to achieve. We need a clearly articulated mission goal. This is exactly what the goal tree provides. It structures the overall goal, as well as the few critical success factors, in a logical conclusive hierarchy. With other words, the goal tree presents the should-be situation. The next step in the logical thinking process is to evaluate if there is any deviation from what should be and what really is. The root cause for this deviation is evaluated with a tool called current reality or problem tree. The problem tree provides a guided method to drill down from a problem to its critical root cause. With this tool, we identify what we need to change to reach our goal. The problem tree ensures that we are really addressing the true root cause of an issue instead of just working on its symptoms. The conflict cloud is a special form of problem tree, which is used in cases where the deviation to our goal is caused by an underlying conflict. This tool provides a method for structuring and resolving these conflicts. So far, we have defined the goal which we want to achieve using the goal tree. This was followed by two further tools to answer the question, what we need to change to get nearer to our goal. These tools were the problem tree and the conflict cloud. With the next step of the thinking process, we are entering the solution phase. It is time to answer the question, what to change to? At this point, we usually receive the question, why do we need another tool here? This question is already answered by the goal tree which we have made. However, that is only partially correct. It is true that all combined efforts must be directed to the goal. But, typically there is not only one way to reach our goal. This is where the relevance of our next thinking process tool comes in. The future reality or solution tree. Why is that so important? Well, every time we are changing the status quo, three different outcomes are possible. First, things will get better. Second, things remain the same. And third, things get worse. This is what have to be avoided by any means. The solution tree serves two crucial purposes. First, it allows us to verify if an action we are planning to take will in fact produce the results we desire. With other words, it helps us to test if ideas do really qualify for solutions. Second, it allows us to identify any possible negative side effects which our action might cause. And in the same time, the solution tree enables us to mitigate this negative side effects. After this short explanation about the solution tree, let us go back to our logical thinking process model. With the solution tree, we have selected those ideas which have the highest probability to really solve our issues without causing any negative side effects. We finally can enter the next and last step of our logical thinking process. The implementation planning of our solutions using the prerequisite or execution tree. With other words, we come to answer the question, how to cause the change. The execution tree provides a framework to lay out a sequence of activities needed to implement our solutions. This includes to identify all the possible obstacles and to suggest ways to overcome them. With other words, the execution tree lays out all the components needed to achieve our goal. Last but not least, it is important to understand that the logical thinking process is a guiding method for complex problem solving. The thinking process trees can be used selected or in concert. For example, if we exactly know what the root cause for a certain problem is, we might directly jump to the solution or the execution tree. For some other problems, we might need to execute the entire thinking process, starting from the goal tree to the execution tree. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you have enjoyed this short introduction to the logical thinking process. If you want to learn more about this extraordinary improvement method, please visit our website, www.iifcm.com, or just drop us a message under info@iifcm.com. More explanatory videos will be online soon on our Facebook pages and the IIFCM YouTube channel. Thanks for listening, have a great day, and stay connected.